In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for event planning. This is a simple way to organize tasks, ideas, and timelines for any type of event. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help plan an event. For example, I might type, "Create a plan for organizing a birthday party." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate an event plan, usually including tasks, timelines, and key details like venue, food, and activities. If I want a more detailed plan, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the type of event, number of guests, or budget. For example, I might type, "Create a wedding event plan for 100 guests with a budget-friendly approach." Claude can also help create checklists, schedules, and task lists to keep everything organized. Once the plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it to manage my event. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for event planning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.